Bonjour, aujourd'hui Claude Adjessicho va parler un peu de français. Ok, il y a une question. Un gars célibataire va quoi? Okay, he wants to ask me a question. He speaks French and I will give an answer to the question. Ok, c'est pour toi maintenant.
Bon, le problème des jeunes célibataires, c'est d'avoir avoir la bonne personne pour se marier. Parce que la personne avec qui tu dois se marier, il faut avoir une bonne personne, la personne qui pourra te respecter dans le foyer, te comprendre dans le foyer, te soutenir dans les pires moments et dans les bons moments. Donc, c'est en question le mariage. Dans le mariage, il y a d'un côté un côté financier, mais le côté financier, ce n'est pas un problème. Mais il faut avoir la personne idéale. La personne idéale, la personne qui est prête à tout. Quand on se marie avec la mauvaise personne, donc cela veut dire que d'autres jours, il y aura assez de problèmes. En quelque sorte, c'est ça.
Okay, your question is, if I could understand, is that you understand a little bit of English, right?
Yes.
Is that how do you get a woman that doesn't look only at your money,
Yes,
but can stand by your side in times of trouble and can help you to even make the money, right? I think that as a man, first, this is what men always think, that women love money a lot. True, there are many women who love money. Il y a beaucoup de femmes qui aiment l'argent, mais ce n'est pas toute la femme qui aime l'argent. Il y a les femmes mauvaises, il y a aussi les femmes bonnes aussi. But what I can advise you is that when you're going in for a woman, you should know your what is in your pocket. You should know your level. Don't be a man that is earning 50,000 francs and you are looking for a woman whose hair, you are only seeing her hair, it costs about 300,000. Avoid that kind of a woman, except she's willing to go down to your level. You understand? Go for a woman of your level and mold her. You people grow up together. Tu comprends ça, non? If you go in for a woman of your level, when I say level, I'm not saying that if you're poor you cannot get married to a rich woman. No, I'm saying that level in terms of character. She understands. There are women who have money and they are willing to submit. They are willing to go down to you, to your level, and you people rise up together. Don't go in for a woman that is too big for you. Most young men today go in for women that are too big for them. You cannot see a woman that a colonel or a minister, a president has arranged, and then you want to come into her life. You understand what I'm saying? Go in for a woman that will respect you, that is willing to go down to your level. I hope I've answered your question. Is there any other question?
Yes, so age is only some number.
Pourquoi?
Oui, l'âge, c'est un chiffre. On peut se marier avec une femme qui est plus âgée que toi. On peut se marier avec une femme dont vous-même vous êtes plus âgé qu'elle. Donc l'âge, ça n'a pas d'importance. L'âge, ce n'est qu'un chiffre.
Okay, if I understand the question, you're asking me if the age is just a number.
Yes.
Or is something to consider in a relationship.
No.
Age, I will say it. People say age is just a number, but I don't think age is just a number. You might be lucky that you get married to you are 30 and you get married to a woman who is 40. Your marriage worked perfectly well. But I want to talk of the majority. Most marriages like that will fail. It will fail because she's older than you, and most of the time she's going to see that you are younger. And because you're younger, what you desire is what she won't desire. She's getting tired. You are more active. You understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
She doesn't want to go out anymore. She wants to be reserved now at home. She's tired, and you are more active. You want to go out. You now know more. You want to dress in a particular way. You want her to dress in a particular way, but she's 40, she's 50, she's 60. She's tired. She can't dress in that particular manner anymore. You understand?
Yes.
So age at times matter, but in some very rare cases, age doesn't actually matters. So when you get looking for a partner, I'll advise that you also consider the age. The age difference should not be too much. It shouldn't be too much. At least if she's older than you for 5 years, it can even be somehow manageable. But you being 30 and getting married to a 50-year-old lady, or you be a 20 years old girl and you are getting married to a 50-year-old man, there will always be lapses in that marriage, and such lapses will always lead to depression, where the man or the woman will feel depressed, will feel abandoned, and the next thing you start seeing them having certain illnesses, not because they are actually sick, it's because they feel lonely, they feel neglected in certain areas in their relationship. Hope Claude Adesusu has answered his question, and that question I know is not only him that had it in mind, many other people had it in mind. I hope I've cleared the doubt. Stay blessed, love you guys.